Good morning, students. Myself Rohit sir, and today we are just going to start our new topic of chapter number 8, comparing quantities, max. This is a part 5 of chapter number 8. Whereas in this chapter we are just going to study about the GST, a new tax which is laid by a government of India. Now, GST means goods and service taxes. This GST tax is implemented on 1st July 2017. It is an indirect tax and it is a comprehensive multi-stage destination based tax that is levied on the every value additions. Okay. Now, component of a GST, there are 3 taxes applicable under this system: CGST, SGST and IGST. Okay. The first is CGST. CGST collected by a central government on the intrastate sale. Intrastate sale means the transaction between a single state, means a transaction in UP to UP, Gujarat to Gujarat, MP to MP. Okay, intrastate sale. Okay, the transaction happening within the Uttar Pradesh or Gujarat or Maharashtra. The second is a SGST. The SGST collected by a state government on intra-state sale, for example, transaction happening with the Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so if we purchase anything and there is a GST, then half of the GST is for central government and half of the GST for state government. Now the third one is IGST. This is collected by a central government in an interstate sale, means a selling between one state to another state, that is Delhi to Uttar Pradesh, Haryana to Punjab, Rajasthan to West Bengal, etc. Okay, so this is a IGST is a central government tax when there is a transaction are held between the two state or more than two state. Okay, so the concept of GST is very easy. Okay, see, is with a proper format. Sell within the state, sell within the state. टैक्स कौन से लगेंगे उसमें? CGST plus SGST. Okay, means the central government and the state government, and sell to another state. If a businessman of Gujarat sell its product to a Rajasthan, then it should have to pay IGST. Okay, this is the only one type of tax, central tax in the interstate sale. Okay, this is the one type of revenue. Now see here, is in the illustration 5. We just see, let us assume that a dealer in Gujarat had sold goods to a dealer in Punjab worth of rupees 50,000. The tax rate, okay, the tax rate is 18%, comprising only on IGST. Now the Gujarat businessman sold goods to Punjab businessman. Okay, this is a state to state, so there is only single IGST. Now 18% of 50,000, 18% of 50,000 is 9,000. So this revenue will go to the central government. Okay, that 9,000 is goes to the central government. The same dealer sells goods to a consumer in the Gujarat of rupees 40,000. Okay, now the same businessman of Gujarat sell a goods of rupees 40,000 to the consumer who are in the Gujarat itself, and the rate of GST on that product is 12%. Now this rate comprises of CGST to 6% and SGST to 6%, means 6% to central government and 6% to state government. Now see, a dealer has collect 12% of 40,000. 12% of 40,000 is 4,800 as a GST. Now we just have to do half of this 48,000. Now 2400 will go to the central government and remaining 2400 will go to the Gujarat government as the cells is within the state. Okay, when the cells are within the state, the GST have to be half. The half portion goes to the central government and half to the state government. Okay, now there are 4 taxes, slab of tax percentage in percentage, slab of tax in percentage. Okay, that is 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. This 5%, 12%, 18%, 28% are the slab of a taxes on the different product. Okay, now the fundamental things need have to be kept under 0% GST. That is a tax free, like vegetables, milk, salt. This is a basic needs of a consumers, that all products are under the 0% GST, means there is a no tax on that. Okay, this is the fundamental things. That's why. Now let us see example. The list price, means the mark price of a music system, is rupees 16,925. If a GST is charged at the rate of 12%, calculate the amount to be paid by the customer to the shopkeeper for purchasing it. Okay, so now see, price is 16,225, 925. Now 12% on that, 12% of rupees 16,925 is 2,031. So now the total amount paid by the customer to the shopkeeper is list price plus GST. So 16,925 plus 2,031. So total bill is 18,956. This is the amount of a music system which should be payable to customer, by the customer to the shopkeeper. Okay, so GST is also same as sales tax. Is in sales tax, we find the sales tax. Okay, and we have now after that we have add to list price. GST is also same, we have to find GST. Later on we have to plus GST to the list price and we find the final amount. Let us do another example. Ashu purchased a car with a mark price of rupees 2,10,000 at the discount of 5%. Okay, first of all we have to find the discount. Now again see, Ashu purchased a car with a mark price of rupees 2,10,000 at a discount of 5%. If a sale tax is charged at the rate of 10%. Now suppose instead of sale tax there is a GST. So we can do same as we do for a sales tax. Okay, what we have to do? First of all, the mark price is 2,10,000. The 5% is discount. So we have to first of all we have to find out the discounted price. So discount price is 10,500. So we have to minus 10,500 from 2,10,000. So the price of a car after discount is 1,99,500. Now on this 1,99,500 there is a sale tax. Now see, instead of sale tax we just let the GST. Okay, suppose there is a GST. So GST is also when discount is there, after discount we can also find the GST same as the sale tax. Okay, so GST is 10%. So amount of GST is 10% on 1,99,500 equals to 19,950. Now 19,950 we have to add. So the final price is 2,19,450. Okay, instead of sale tax suppose there is a GST. Okay, now this GST is laid by a state government or a central government, so half of the money goes to the state government and half of the money goes to the center government. Now see, the GST is 19,950. 19,950. So just divide by 2. Divide by 2. 9s are 18. 9s are 18. 7s are 5s are. Okay, so 9,975 rupees goes to the state government and another 9,975 rupees goes to the state government. Okay, so this is a simple concept of a GST, same as the sell tax. We have to find the GST, add it to the list price or a mark price, and we get the final amount. Okay, so this is a easy concept of a GST. Now I just give you assignment as a word form to you. You have to just solve that assignment in which there is a sum of GST and sell tax. Okay, thank you.